break review. What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew, and in this video we are doing another break review. I forget which one it is, but it's another one. It's actually the last one of footage that I currently have. So if you'd like to see another break review, make sure you email me at magnus.ff94@gmail.com and I will review your footage. Because if you don't send any more in, there's no more show. So it's on you. If you'd like to, hit me up. So show me what you got, what you really got. I'll show you what I got, what I really got. I got a sideways video. Okay, we got some head, nose. Whoa, we got some intriguing stuff here, bud. I haven't really seen someone overshoot their head, nose before. So number one, look at this position here. Your hands are way too close to your head. So this is the first issue you have going on here. You need to make sure you're making a triangle, okay? So whenever you're doing your headstand, you want to have like a tripod. One lower, and then your head in the center, but the center forward. So not center same line like this, center forwards, okay? So that's number one. So that will actually help you a lot. The second thing is when you're dropping, you're staying fully up, okay? Which is good later on. If you have a lot of power, you want to stay as straight as you can. But at the beginning, when you're still just trying to get them, you need to make sure you're fully collapsing as you're dropping. Do you see how your elbows hitting the ground right here? Boom. It's because your hand is so high. So your hands are here, so there's no space to get it through. You have to have your hand down here so that when you bend it in like this, it misses your face. But because your hand's so high, it's actually collapsing into your face like this. So again, if you bring your arms lower, you won't have that issue anymore. But because they're up here, when you're trying to put your hand in, there's no space there, which is why you can't get in this elbow headstand, head spin kind of type movement. So if you bring your hands lower, it shouldn't really be an issue for you anymore. So that would be my best recommendation. So if you just want to show me tops, if you can, I think your space might be a bit smaller, but if you can, try to have your camera a little bit further back. Or do you see how you have like your bed and stuff over here? Maybe try filming, putting your camera this way and filming this way instead, just so I can see a bit more of you. Because it'll be a little bit easier for me to be able to kind of review you and see what's up. I like that your fingers are actually doing stuff. Yeah, man, as I said, like it's hard to judge because it's so close on your like your legs. But your upper body, I like what you have going on. It's nice. Like you've got an understanding of what to do with your fingers. You have good hand movement. What I'd like to see now is I just like a further back angle so that I can see your feet as well, if possible. If not, even just more of your full body, like your head as well, while you're doing everything, because you're kind of going in and out of frame, which makes it a bit more challenging to watch. Yeah, bro, from what I can see out of the video, I think is hype. I like your top rock. I would just try and send me one that's a bit further back and shows more of your body, or that you can stay in frame more of, so that I can kind of give you a more in-depth review of it. Battle time. Ooh. I like your steez, man. Yo, fresh. Hey, killing it. So, okay, what I'll say is, like, bro, your start, top rock, super fresh. Nothing to say. I love everything you're doing. Same with your footwork. It's fresh, dude, the whole way around. Clean, strong, powerful. You even had kind of some different textures in there and originality, like super fire. So the one thing I'll say is, bro, your finish was so weak. Your round was so nice, but then like you just gave up. Like, I don't know why or it cut out, okay? If it cut out and you kept going, that's one thing, but fam, it was so good. And then you just like threw it away at the end there. So just finish strong. I don't know if it was just a top rock and footwork battle, but I just want to see more. Like, if that was a prelim, out of that alone, personally, I would probably put you through just because I like your steez and the way you rock. But the only thing I'd be concerned about is that what do you have past what you showed there? So I would throw in more actual like signature moves, and or I would just throw in more content. Because that's the only thing I feel like you're lacking is your round was pretty short. So I would like to see more content and just more moves. You could also mess around playing some freezes in there, some power. And if you don't want to do freeze or power, at least some dynamics, some more dynamic moves. Would be nice to contrast with the rest of your movement, but what you showed me is super dope. I really liked it. All right, Justin, so starting off, I'm still gonna say the same as I told you last time, which is I love to see you having more powerful movements and more dynamics in to contrast your slow controlled flavor movements. Like for instance, out of there and that, like there's a lot of stuff where again, you're just giving away your power. But with that being said, you definitely had a couple more of those moments here in the second round that you sent me. Like I'm gonna give you a bit more of an example of ones that worked really well for you here. Like I think boom, pop, 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 hit. Like that was much better than what I saw before as far as like your energy change. And you're definitely a lot more upbeat this round than you were in the first round. And right here, this was nice too. Boom, zoom, boom, hop, hit, like right there. That was, again, a good example of having more powerful energy. And I think that came across a lot better. Now, for getting into your freeze right here, this was, again, kind of what I was telling you before on it is looking like you're really struggling there. And it's not reading super well. But then your get out here, that was nice. You know, your flow out of it like this, once you dropped out of it, zoom, pop, that was dope. I just again would have loved to see you snap, boom, boom, ha, right after versus a kind of slow hit. So that's more so what I'll say, Justin, because like again, like right here, boom, zoom, boom, ha, like that was dope. Like that energy right there, I would love to see you rocking more of that, where you go from your kind of smooth flow into a sharp movement versus this kind of smooth, flavorful flow into like kind of a fall off, right? So an example of that again would be like right there, right? So I don't know if this was just you missing your move, but like this concept here, it just didn't read very well just because the energy fell super flat. You know what I mean? And same with this one. Like again, the concept is there. The hit, zoom, boom, and hit. Like the concept is definitely there. But I think what would have made it land better is if you did like something hit here and then smooth and then boom, boom, boom again. You know what I mean? But when again, it's this kind of slow, stop playing. When it's this slow controlled movement into this slow controlled movement, there's no contrasting of style, okay? As I said, the second one, there's definitely moments in there which I think were a big progress. Now I don't know which battles were when, and it could have all been the old footage, but given comparisons, I would focus on trying to create more of your stuff on that tip. But again, regardless of where it's from, those are kind of the two standpoints. I think one of them makes your stuff look really good and the other one doesn't do it quite justice. So again, I'd focus on honing in on having that more dynamic, sporadic, energetic approach, because I think when you have those moments of doing that energetic style, it really adds a nice contrast to your controlled style. So when you put that together, I think it looks very aesthetically pleasing, but when you just have the controlled style, I personally tend to lose interest. So that's my 2 cents. Hope that helps. Again, if you guys would like more of these, comment down below. Email me your footage. Once I get 4 to 5 videos, I'll make another break review. Thanks so much for watching. This is your boy, Magnus.Magneto from Now and Never Crew. If you like this video, again, comment down below, like, subscribe, smash button for more videos, and I will see you tomorrow. Love is love.